Good morning, students. Today, the second chapter I will explain you. The name of the chapter is Form of Business Organizations, in which I'll explain the different forms of business which are available for a businessman to be started and to run his business smoothly in the economy. That is why this chapter is very important, as in our surrounding we saw many type of business activities are performed by many people. Some people are performing the business individually, whereas some people are performing the business with the help of others. So different kind of activities are performed by the different peoples in the economy, and these forms we will learn in this chapter, because this chapter is very important, and in which we will learn about the sole proprietorship, we will learn about the partnership, we will learn about the joint stock companies, cooperative organizations, joint Hindu family business, company, MNCs. So these form of business I'll explain to you people, and you should keep in your mind that this chapter is very important. So whenever you have any query related to this chapter, you may ask your queries clearly to me, because I'm very happy if you'll ask the queries to me. Okay, so so in the 2 days live session I told you about the partnership, its features, its merits. Now now the next topic is types of partners. So again I'm telling you, again I'm recalling the meaning of partnership. Partnership is a type of business in which minimum two people participated to start a business. But in general partnership, maximum 10 people can participate, but in the case of banking 20 or 50 people can take part. So partnership is different, or we can say whenever a person is going to start the partnership, he has to create a partnership deed, then only he can start his business in the economy. That is why we can say partnership is a type of business which can be started by the people after forming a written consent or written agreement, and that written agreement is known as the partnership deed, in which they have to mention all type of terms and conditions to start the business. That is why the partnership deed is an important type of document. Or we can say whenever any kind of conflict take place between the partners, then that partnership deed can be utilized by them to solve the queries, solve the disputes whatever take place among them. So on the basis of this, I'm going to explain about the types of partners. So the first one is active partner. Active partners are those are actively participate in the business. They have invested money in the business, they take part in the business activities, they helps in forming the decision for the company, and also they helps in performing all type of activities of the business. And also we can say they are the partner who also take active part in the decision making, and also take a good profit margin from the company if the company earning profit from the economy. So the risk will be shared by the active partner, as well as the profit will be enjoyed by the active partner. That is why active partner plays an important role in the company. The another one is sleeping partner. Sleeping partner are those have invested money in the business but do not take part in the business activities. They generally they are the people those have a lot of money and want to invest their money in the different kind of business, but they invested money only, but they do not take part in the business activities. That is why they are also known as dormant partner. Dormant partners, they are also known as dormant partners. So they only invested the money, do not take part in the business activities, but also they get the profit if company earn profit by performing the business activities. The another one is secret partner. Secret partner also have invested their money in the business, but they don't want to represent themselves as a partner of the firm. That is why they are known as secret partner. They invested the money, but they don't want to show themselves that they are the part of the company, they are the partner of that particular firm. But in actual, they invested their money, they participated in the business, and also they help the company to get profit from the economy. That is why we can say secret partners are also present in the economy. Those are also helping the businessman to get profit by performing the business activities. The another one is minor partner. Minor partners are those partners, those are below the age of 18. They do not invest their money, but they get profit from the business activities, because they are the nominees of the partners. Those have left the business, but they are the minor partners. So ultimately they do not get the chance to participate in the business activities, they do not get the chance to invest the money in the business, but they have the right to get profit from the profit earned by the company. The another one is nominal partner. Nominal partner are not the real partner of the firm, but due to the sake of the company, due to their own sake, they want to be the part of that particular firm. So ultimately we can say they are not the real partner of the firm. They consider the partner of the firm by their own sake, and also for the sake of the company. So it is also two type. The first one is nominal partner by estoppel, in which it is a type of partner who give the name to the company, who lend their name to the company, and the company get benefited by taking the name of that particular company, will comes under the nominal partner by estoppel. Okay, like one reputed company is running its business, and one small company is taking the name of that particular company for getting financial support and for running its business successfully, then it will comes under the nominal partner by estoppel. The another one is the first thing you should keep in mind that the nominal partner by estoppel, in which the company lend the name of one reputed company to run its business successfully. But in the case of nominal partner by holding out, in which a company will give the name to the person. If a person is going to tell that I am a partner of that firm, and the company do not have, and in this case the company do not have the objection that the person is taking the name of that particular company to run his business. Okay, so it will comes under the nominal partner by holding out. So these are the type of partners, those are available in the economy to run his business successfully, and these are the partner who directly or indirectly helps in running the business successfully in the economy. Okay students, if you have any problem related to these partners, you may ask your problem on my personal number, and you should watch the video and again and again to solve your problem whatever you have. Okay students, it's enough for today. Have a nice day.